What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're going to be trying to spot clean the carpet in the C7. Somebody wasted something in there. I'm not saying no names, but we're going to see if we can get it cleaned up with some stuff that we got right now. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that post notification bell. That way you know every time we drop new videos. Let's get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, let's get on out here. I sprayed some stuff on it last night just to let it soak on there a little bit. This little tough stuff. I sprayed that on there. We got some degreaser. We got some towels. And then my brother bought me these for my birthday. So it's got like all the different brushes and stuff like that. We're just gonna use this bottle for the degreaser. Man, I hope I got the keys on there. Oh, if you're new to the channel, that's the El Camino right there. We got the Escalade. I need to put that cap back on there. We got the 72 Buick LeSabre we're building. I got some parts coming in for that. The 75 Caprice. Betty. And then we got the truck over there. And I don't have the keys. Give me a second. Alright. So, as you can see, let me see if y'all can see it. Y'all see that right here? It looks terrible. And I let it soak. I think it was, I don't know what it was. I don't sit on this side, but there's something wasted right there. So we're gonna try to get it up out of here, guys. And it's time to hook the lights back up. I got them lights unhooked because I got new ones. I got the vacuum out here too. We ain't gonna vacuum right now. We're gonna vacuum while it's wet. But I'm gonna get one of these brushes and try to get at it. Alright, we're gonna get the degreaser filled up. That should be enough. I already pre-soaked it, but I'm gonna spray a little bit more of this right there. I hope this stuff come off. We'll see. You got any more of the wire things? What wire thing? Alright guys, we're gonna get ready. Let's see if these brushes work. like it's working, guys? Alright, let's see if any of it come up. I don't know what the heck that was. Dang. Looking better, huh, brother?
Mm-hmm.
I need to go up a little higher. There. Let's do a little more. Shit. Hit it with the big brush. Alright, we're gonna repeat the process one more time. Let's see what we get. See if it starts coming out cleaner, guys. Yeah. You know what, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and get this side real quick. While we doing this, might as well. Let me tuck these lights. Tuck these lights up in there. I gotta fix this. Yeah, might as well get this side, cause it's looking better. So we might as well knock this side on out. My son wasted something. Did you waste something in my car, man?
No.
Alright. Alright guys, we're gonna wipe that down. See how that looked. That other side was real bad. This side, it wasn't too bad. I gotta do a video redoing the lights in here, guys. I done hook all the LEDs. So made my fuse go out. So I had to figure out why. I went by this little shop and they said like $200 to clean the carpet. I'm like, man, I'll try this first. See what happens. Just looking better. Can't really see it now. That's how you clean your carpet at home if you don't want to spend 200, 150 bucks at the detail shop, you know, just for something real quick. It wasn't too bad, so just wanted to show y'all that. Don't cost a lot of money to do stuff yourself, so we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.